Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a photo frame from ice cream sticks. First, gather your materials. You will need about 20 to 30 ice cream sticks, a strong craft glue, and a pair of scissors. Also, pick out a photograph, ideally around 4 by 6 inches, that you want to frame. Don't forget any decorative items like glitter, paint, or small beads to personalize your creation. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start building the base of your photo frame. Take 4 ice cream sticks and arrange them to form a square or rectangular shape, depending on your photo's orientation. Apply a small dab of strong craft glue to each end where the sticks meet and overlap. Hold each joint firmly for about 30 seconds to allow the glue to set properly. This initial step is crucial for creating a sturdy foundation for your beautiful new frame. Next, we'll add layers to reinforce your frame and give it a three-dimensional look. Continue placing ice cream sticks on top of the previous layer, making sure to overlap the joints for added strength. Apply a small amount of glue between each stick as you stack them. Build up about 5 to 7 layers on each side, depending on how thick you want your frame to be. This layering technique makes the frame robust and visually appealing. Finally, it's time for the fun part, decorating and inserting your photo. Make sure to let all the glue dry completely, which usually takes about 2 to 3 hours to ensure stability. Once dry, unleash your creativity with paint, glitter, beads, or any other decorations you love. After decorating, carefully attach your 4 by 6 inch photograph to the back of the frame using a bit of glue or double-sided tape. Your personalized ice cream stick photo frame is now complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.